Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new here. Please don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. Now let's get right into this nail set. So today I will be doing another Christmas set with acrylic, and here I'm just using my KDS glue to glue my nail tips on. And I didn't plan on keeping these nails on, so I did put a base coat on my natural nails before I applied these tips. That way it wouldn't like mess up my nails when I get ready to take them off. And then once we have these nails applied, I'm just taking my makartt hand file and I'm just shaping up the nails a little bit and getting the tip a little bit sharper. And then once I got these shaped up a little bit better, I'm just taking the hand file again to blend in the natural nail, blend the nail in with my natural nail and also remove the shine from the nail tips. And then I'm going to use the Modelones Acrylic system. I showed the blue and I also have a clear and a white color. And I'm just taking the bead. If you have watched my other acrylic videos, you will see that my application was very messy and like very runny. So I practiced a little bit before I did this set. So hopefully it comes out a little bit better. As you can see, my first bead was a little bit better. It wasn't too runny. And I'm just putting that on the nails, and I didn't know how I was gonna do these nails, so it was kind of a freestyle. And so I'm just putting some clear acrylic down, and then you will see me take these iridescent snowflakes and I will attempt to put them on, but they wouldn't lay flat, so you're gonna see me take them off a little bit, and I will start to like bend them. That way it will like kind of lay more flatter to the nails. And yeah. And I had it to keep adding acrylic because I just couldn't get these to stick how I wanted it, and the acrylic would dry, so I just had to add more. And then I didn't want to keep putting on layers of acrylic because then the nail would be like so thick that, you know. So once I finished all of this, I just ended up using some glue to glue these down, and then I went in with the other colors. Like I said, I had to work with it a little bit, so I turned off the camera and then I went in and did that. And then I just added the blue on top because I wanted to do like a blue to clear with encapsulated snowflakes, you know, that type of nail. So I'm just adding the blue in here. I'm just adding the final touches near the cuticle, and I'm just putting I'm putting the acrylic near the cuticle, making sure not to get it on the skin, wiping it down, making sure not to waste product. And then I'm starting with the index finger, and I will say this was my best nail because it was just one solid nail color, and my beads were like way better than my last videos, even though I'm using like smaller beads. And like when I put it on the nail, it was a little bit dry, but I just cleaned off my brush and then dipped it back into the monomer and then continued to like tap and place the acrylic on the nails. And I'm just pushing it up near the cuticles, making sure not to get it on the skin once again. And I am using small beads, so it kind of took me a while to like build up the nails. But once I got that coverage I wanted, I went to the next nail because I will top all of these nails in clear. Like, look at this nail. I really feel like I am improving. Look at that. And then for the middle, what is this? The wait, it's the ring finger. The for the ring finger, I'm doing a blue to white ombre. So I'm starting with the bottom color, which is white. I'm just putting a layer of that on the nails, and then I will go in with my blue on top, making sure to really blend it very good, or as good as I can. And then, but this nail kind of took me a while to do. I just kept messing with it, and like I felt like my ombre wasn't as good as it should look, so I just kept kind of messing with the colors, trying to blend it. And I did a little bit off camera because it was like a little bit too long, so yeah. And then next for the thumbnail, I'm just adding a little bit of clear acrylic. I'm gonna do a glitter and snowflake nail, so I'm just adding the glitters in the place that I want it to be. And then once I finish the glitters, I'm gonna add the snowflakes. I tried to get it to lay down with acrylic once again, but it didn't work. So I was just use the glue to get it to lay down. And then once I finish getting the snowflakes and glitter how I want it to be, I'm just gonna top this nail off with clear acrylic. Some of these snowflakes stuck, these smaller ones stuck to the nail with acrylic, but for the big ones I ended up using the glue. And then here's how it looks once I finish placing these on the nails. And then I'm going to top it off with some clear acrylic. And if it looks like I'm adding a lot of acrylic, I wasn't. I was using small beads, and like I was turning my nail to the side to like see if there were any like dips, and I'm just adding the acrylic and small beads where it was needed. Usually I would do the pinky first. I don't know why. I just feel like I just need to do my pinky nail first. But last time I learned my lesson from my last Christmas nail set with that glitter. That glitter ended up everywhere, so I did the pinky nail and all glitter. I'm just using the glitter that I got from Walmart. I just picked up a small bead of acrylic and then dipped it in the glitter and just placed it on the nail until I got a full coverage of glitter, and then I will cap this entire nail with clear. And then once I did that one, I just went on to the other nails. I'm just going to cap all of these nails in clear. And this middle nail, I feel like was the only one that was a little bit kind of thick from me putting on the acrylic, because I was trying to get those snowflakes to stick. So I kept adding layers of acrylic trying to get them to stick. And I just feel like this was the only one like that. But I really do see improvement in my acrylic application. Cuticle more without cutting yourself, and it is perfect for beginners. I know I love this drill bit. And I'm just gonna go over the surface of the nails, making sure, and I also use the drill to kind of reshape the nails. I just went on the sides, going down near the point of the nails to like redefine the shape. And then once I was done with the nail drill, I'm just taking my hand file once again to go vertical down the nails to kind of like smooth out the surface once again with more control, making sure that there are like no ridges from the nail drill. And then I'm gonna take my buffer to make sure that the surface of the nails are as smooth as possible. finished buffing, I went to wash my hands, and these are how the nails are looking. And then I'm gonna add some rhinestones, so I'm just using my rhinestone glue. And as you can see on the paper towel in the background, I use these rhinestones, like I laid out the rhinestones how I would want to apply it on the nails. And this is my first time doing like this type of rhinestone nail, because usually I just put rhinestones near the cuticle, so it was easy for me to like place the rhinestones how I would want it on the nails. And then that way I didn't have to like think on my toes when I was getting, you know, like putting the rhinestones on the nails. So I already had it planned out, which made it much more easier. And when I put on this rhinestone glue, I also added a coat of top coat. That way, like when I put on the rhinestones, it wouldn't be like so clogged up near the around the rhinestones. I don't know if I'm explaining this right, or I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just placing on the rhinestones, and then once I get them placed how I want, I'm just gonna cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And I can really say that I love how this nail turned out. It was so pretty to me. And I forgot to show the rhinestones that I used. These are the rhinestones, and I will link everything that I used below. And then I'm just using, oh actually, I wanted some more glitter on my thumbnail, so I'm just taking this glitter polish in the color, I believe it was for 470. Or you guys would see it when I show it. I'm just taking this glitter polish and just painting some over the thumbnail, and I didn't want it to be like as much glitter, so I'm just using this brush to kind of wipe off some of the glitters, and then I'm going to cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And then I pulled my rhinestones back out because I felt that my ring finger was a little like I felt like it could use a little bit more bling, so I'm just going with my usual and just putting some rhinestones near the cuticle, and then I'm going to cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds again. And then once I got them cured, these are how the nails are looking. And then the last step, I'm just going to go in with a top coat, and this top coat is by the Beetles. I'm just making sure to clean up the cuticle, making sure there are none on the skin, because you don't want to cure top coat on your skin. It will be difficult to get off. So I'm just painting a layer of top coat over all of the nails, and then I'm going to cure in the nail lamp for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Once I finish putting it over top, I'm just going underneath the clear nails, adding a layer, that way it is clear as could be. And these are how the nails are looking. And then once I cured it in the nail lamp for 1 minute and 30 seconds, these are how the nails turn out. And then the last step, I'm adding some cuticle oil. I'm just rubbing that into my cuticles. And then these are how the nails turn out. I am so happy with these nails. It was more of a freestyle design, so they turned out better than I expected. And that bling nail on the index finger, it is really bringing this whole set together. I just love these snowflakes. And as always, if you have made it this far, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.